Verse 11 sets the exact timeline. In the 600th year of Noah's life, in the second month, the 17th day of the month. This wasn't just rain. Water erupted violently from beneath the earth's crust. Verse 11, and the windows of heaven were opened. This means the sky literally gave way in an apocalyptic flood. The earth was being flooded from both above and below at the exact same time. Moving to verse 12, and the rain was upon the earth 40 days and 40 nights. A complete, unyielding cycle of judgment and cleansing began on earth. In biblical theology, this is the undoing of creation. God returned the chaotic waters to the earth to wash away the corruption of mankind. But it also shows us that God's judgment is precise, and so is his protection. The exact same waters that judged the old world elevated the ark to safety. What is our modern take for today? Sometimes our daily lives experience a Genesis 7 moment. The fountains break, the windows open, and trials flood us from every side. But remember, the flood came to cleanse, not just to destroy. When your foundations shake, trust that God is washing away the old to build something brand new. Let us close in prayer. Lord, when the floods of life rise and the deep breaks up around us, be our ark. Give us the faith of Noah to trust your timing, your design, and your shelter. Amen. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next verse.